Okay, this is a product review video of this battery tester that was sent to me to make this video. And it's a Quicklynks BA101 battery tester. And it tests 100 to 2,000 cold cranking amps. And let's go hook it up to a car and see how it works. Yeah, and here's what it looks like up close. And what these do is put a load on the battery and actually tells you if it's good or bad. Yeah, and here's what it actually comes with, the owner's manual. And it comes with this little CD and this cable. And what this does is, so you can hook it up to a computer and you can actually print the data. Like if you own a shop and you want to show the customer that it's actually what the data is, you can do that. Yeah, and here's the different tests it does. So we're going to do the battery and vehicle test. Yeah, I had to get a flashlight out here so I can see this. So it looks like it does quite a few different tests here. And it says to turn the headlights on for about 10 seconds and turn them off. So we can do that. Okay, now it's asking which different type of battery it's got. And then you put in the cold cranking amps, and this one's 840. And it shows the battery's good. This tester seems to do a lot more things than the one that I already have. Yeah, I guess it does a cranking test. Let's try that. Yeah, and that checks out to be good. And then we can try the charging test too. And you can also do an out-of-vehicle battery test. Okay, so let's start it up and see. Yeah, so everything checks out good. Let's try the out-of-vehicle test. Yeah, and you can also do it for the gel batteries and all the other different types. Yeah, and it passes the test. Yeah, so now I'm trying this out on my own car. Yeah, and the battery's good on it. And it also has some other tests. I'm not going to get into all these different tests. Yeah, and you can also go back and look at the data again. And you can go to system setup and change the language and other information. And it also tells you what version of the software is on here. Yeah, and on something like this, you really can't do a real in-depth video of it. Yeah, and this is definitely a good tool to buy. Yeah, I will put a link to the Amazon where you can buy this. Yeah, and one thing I forgot to mention in the video, this sells for around $55.